Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, prescribed vinegar and honey for persistent coughs over 2,000 years ago. He was onto something that modern science is just now catching up with. This is informational, not medical advice. Check with your doctor, especially if you take blood sugar medications. Apple cider vinegar contains compounds that researchers believe can help treat cold and flu-like symptoms, but that's just the beginning. Some studies show a modest reduction in fasting blood sugar around 4% in research trials, and other research and anecdotal reports suggest ACV may help reduce muscle cramps that wake you up at night. This ancient remedy is packed with benefits specifically valuable for those over 60. I'll explain why ACV matters after 60, the top 10 benefits backed by research, how to use it safely including the importance of the mother, and what you lose if you skip it. But first, you need to understand why your body after 60 responds differently to remedies than it did decades ago. Your metabolism at 60 isn't the same as it was at 30, and your body faces unique challenges that most remedies weren't designed to address. The changes happen gradually, so you might not notice them at first. Your blood sugar takes longer to return to normal after meals. Stomach acid output and metabolic speed often decline with age, making it harder to break down food properly, and causing that extra weight around your midsection to become stubborn. These aren't just signs of getting older, they're connected health issues. ACV is one low-cost strategy that research suggests may help target several of these issues. Poor blood sugar control leads to increased inflammation, weak digestion means you absorb fewer nutrients from your food, and slower metabolism makes weight management increasingly difficult. Many common health issues after 60 stem from the same root causes that ACV directly targets. Insulin resistance tends to increase with age because your cells become less responsive to this crucial hormone. When insulin can't do its job effectively, glucose stays elevated in your bloodstream longer, creating oxidative stress and damaging blood vessels over time. Less stomach acid makes certain nutrients harder to absorb. Low stomach acid means your body can't extract calcium, iron, vitamin B12, and other essential nutrients from food. You might eat a healthy diet but still develop deficiencies that leave you feeling tired and weak. Researchers and fermentation experts note that mild acidifiers like raw ACV can encourage acid-loving beneficial bacteria, a change that can support digestion and gut health. Calories burn more slowly as you age. This metabolic slowdown makes it easier to gain weight and harder to lose it, even when you maintain the same eating and exercise habits. Research shows that cardiovascular risks compound with age, creating a perfect storm of health challenges. Blood pressure tends to rise, cholesterol levels shift in dangerous directions, arterial walls become stiffer and more prone to plaque buildup. ACV addresses these interconnected age-related challenges through multiple pathways. The acetic acid content specifically targets the metabolic and digestive changes that occur after 60, working to restore balance in systems that have become less efficient over time. What happens when you start using this ancient remedy consistently might surprise you. Just a quick pause. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. Every subscriber feels like family to me. Here are 10 powerful benefits research suggests your body may experience with consistent ACV use. Some effects may appear within days to weeks, particularly blood sugar responses and digestion improvements, while others like body composition and cholesterol changes build more slowly over months of regular use. The most researched benefit involves blood sugar control. Some studies show modest reductions in fasting blood sugar, about 4% in trials, when ACV is taken before bedtime. The acetic acid slows down the conversion of complex carbohydrates into sugar in your digestive system. This creates a more gradual release of glucose into your bloodstream, preventing those dangerous overnight spikes that can damage blood vessels. Weight management may become easier through several mechanisms working together. Clinical studies show modest reductions in body fat and hip circumference, typically when ACV is used alongside a calorie-controlled diet. The acetic acid appears to increase fat burning, while reducing fat storage, particularly around your midsection, where weight gain after 60 tends to concentrate. Research suggests your lipid profile may improve in ways that directly protect your cardiovascular system. Studies indicate ACV can reduce LDL cholesterol, the type that builds up in your arteries. It may also lower triglycerides, which often rise with age and insulin resistance. At the same time, some research shows it raises HDL cholesterol, the beneficial type that actually removes plaque from your arteries. The digestive benefits extend far beyond simple heartburn relief. ACV may help your stomach break down proteins more effectively, compensating for the reduced acid production that comes with aging. The acetic acid can lower gut pH locally and may help beneficial acid-loving bacteria thrive, while discouraging some pathogens, potentially promoting a healthier balance of gut bacteria that enhances nutrient absorption and supports immune function. Anecdotally, many people report clearer, more resilient skin due to ACV's antimicrobial properties and pH balancing effects when used topically in diluted form. Hair may take on new shine and strength when diluted ACV removes mineral buildup from water and styling products. Energy levels may stabilize as your blood sugar stops experiencing wild swings throughout the day. The antioxidants in ACV may support your immune system by neutralizing free radicals that accelerate aging. The lesser-known benefit involves muscle cramp prevention. ACV contains potassium and acetic acid, which some practitioners in small studies link to reduced cramping, though ACV shouldn't replace medical evaluation for frequent cramps. The mother in unfiltered ACV is a cloudy colony of enzymes and beneficial bacteria present in raw, unfiltered varieties. Research and background materials recommend raw organic ACV with the mother for the potential probiotic and enzyme-related benefits. However, getting these benefits safely requires understanding critical factors that determine whether ACV helps or harms you. How to use ACV safely and effectively. The difference between ACV helping or harming you comes down to 3 critical factors that most people get wrong. Improper use can damage your tooth enamel, irritate your digestive system, or provide no benefits at all. Even health-conscious people make dangerous mistakes with ACV dosing and timing that can cause more harm than good. Never drink ACV straight from the bottle. Undiluted ACV contains 5% acetic acid, which is strong enough to erode tooth enamel and burn your throat tissue. Always dilute 1 to 2 tablespoons in at least 8 ounces of water. Start with 1 teaspoon in a full glass of water for the first week. If tolerated, increase to 1 tablespoon daily, and up to 1 to 2 tablespoons in 8 ounces of water. This mirrors the dosing used in many studies and popular clinical recommendations. For sensitive stomachs, this gradual progression helps avoid digestive discomfort that many people experience when they start with full doses immediately. People who take blood sugar-lowering medications or have chronic conditions should consult their doctor before starting regular ACV use. Timing matters more than you might realize. Taking ACV 20 minutes before meals helps control blood sugar spikes by slowing carbohydrate digestion. The acetic acid needs time to reach your stomach and begin working before food arrives. For morning glucose control, take ACV before bedtime. This timing allows the acid to influence overnight glucose production by your liver. For skin applications, use at least 4 parts water to 1 part ACV. For hair rinses, about 1 tablespoon ACV per cup of water is commonly used. Always spot test and stop if irritation appears. Stronger concentrations can cause chemical burns, especially on sensitive skin. Choose raw, organic, unfiltered ACV with the mother. Processed clear vinegars have most active compounds removed. The cloudy strands floating in unfiltered ACV contain the beneficial enzymes and bacteria that provide health benefits. Consistency matters more than quantity for achieving lasting benefits. Taking 1 teaspoon daily for months produces better results than taking large amounts sporadically. Your body adapts gradually to ACV's effects, so regular use builds cumulative benefits over time. Here's your simple daily routine. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw ACV in 8 ounces of water. Drink it through a straw 20 minutes before your largest meal, and rinse your mouth with plain water afterward. These steps reduce the risk of enamel erosion and throat irritation because ACV is acidic. But what happens when you don't establish this routine at all? Skipping ACV means missing a low-cost strategy that some studies suggest can modestly support blood sugar control, digestion, and other age-related issues. It's one useful tool among many, including proper diet, exercise, and medical care. The cumulative health challenges compound when natural support systems aren't in place, and your body works harder to maintain balance without the metabolic assistance that ACV may provide. Many people accept gradual decline as normal aging, but this acceptance comes at a significant cost. Without ACV's potential blood sugar benefits, your glucose levels may spike and crash throughout the day. Repeated high blood sugar spikes contribute to vascular strain over time. These uncontrolled swings can accelerate aging at the cellular level by creating inflammation and oxidative stress. Calcium deficiency weakens bones. B vitamin shortages affect your nervous system and energy production. Your immune system becomes compromised because it depends on proper nutrition to function effectively. Missing out on ACV's potential lipid benefits allows cardiovascular risks to accumulate silently. Your LDL cholesterol gradually rises while HDL cholesterol drops. Triglyceride levels increase, especially after meals. These changes happen slowly, often without symptoms, until they reach levels that may require medical intervention. The opportunity cost extends beyond major health issues. Muscle cramps continue to disrupt your sleep and limit your activities. Skin problems persist and worsen with age. Energy fluctuations make it harder to maintain an active lifestyle, which further accelerates the aging process. Each of these issues might seem minor individually, but together they significantly diminish your quality of life. I challenge you to commit to 30 days of proper ACV use. Track just 3 simple items: energy levels, digestion or heartburn, and 1 measurable biomarker if available, like fasting glucose or waist measurement. Note how you feel each morning and evening. If you try this, tell us in the comments how you measured results, and like and subscribe if you want similar practical guides. Click the video up here, you'll love it. Taking control of your health after 60 isn't about turning back time. It's about making the years ahead your healthiest and most vibrant, yet using low-cost tools worth considering as part of a broader, doctor-approved plan.